Welcome to my video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ArcGIS Pro. Uh, I'm going to share some tips and tips of using ArcGIS Pro in this. I will create a separate playlist for this, and in this playlist I will show you some tips of using ArcGIS Pro. As the first video, I'm going to show how to connect our data folder in our ArcGIS Pro. So this is the first window when we open the ArcGIS Pro. And well, for the Pro version, I have access from my university. So if you don't have access, maybe you will need to purchase a license or get access from your company or something. So I'm going to click Map to start a new project. Okay. Well, these are the projects that I have already completed. So after clicking map, a window pop out. It is asking me to create a project name. So for the project name, I'm going to write tutorial, and it is asking me to also specify a folder. So for the folder, I'm going to save this all data in desktop. What is data on my desktop? So it's going to save in my desktop. And let's say, okay. So see, if you can see here, it is saying like creating project. Well, ArcGIS Pro is a very big software, and it requires lots of memory in your computer. So if your computer does not have enough memory, it, it takes time to open. So right now it's saying opening new map. Well, I cannot drag. It's actually stuck over here. So now it's loading our map. So this is the map, world view map. And to connect our folder, we have to go to view and then catalog pane. So in the catalog pane, you can see a window popping out. And in here, in the catalog, you have to go to project, and in the folders, it is giving me tutorial, right? So which is my project folder, but I also want to connect my data folder. So for this one, I have to right click on the folder, and it says add folder connection. Click on the add folder connection, and see, you have to go to your, sorry. So now here we have to uh, connect our data folder. So my data is in mini project 4, and let's do this mini project 4, and I want to get that data folder. So now it is giving, it already came out my data, right? My data is already here. So if it does not, if it's in your case, you can always to refresh your data. So I have connected my data folder with ArcGIS Pro software, and now in here I can see all of my data over here. So I can directly uh, click and drag to the map, and it will now load my image. So well, the images are very big. I mean, they are like 400 MB of one image, depending on the number of bands and the types of image you are using. So In in image analysis, we mostly use TIF format, which has lots of memory. It's a big image, so it takes time to to load. Well, our main image has been loaded over here. So you can see it's an agriculture plot. Maybe it's a research plot. So our image has been loaded like S9212019 is the same image, and we can see our image has been loaded over here. And this is the RGB. It it has like a four bands, but we are only using three bands as the RGB to visualize for the true color. So yeah, this is how you connect your folder and load your data.